for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Of course, please follow me on Instagram down here. The link is down below, and you will literally see daily on my fashion, my makeup, and also upcoming videos that I will be making, because it is a broad spectrum and you don't want to miss anything. Also with that, not missing anything, down here hit the subscribe button and of course the little bell so you get notified when I upload videos, as I upload them every single week. Now, let's talk about this wig right here. Now this is something I've had in my Amazon cart. We all have those items that literally have been in our cart waiting for a long time. This one, over a year, maybe 2. And I go back and forth. Do I buy it? Do I not? Because it's a wig. A wig from Amazon. I mean, who do they think they are? Amazing is who they think they are. So I finally just did it. And literally the UPS guy just dropped it off. Just dropped it off on a Sunday. That's how dedicated they are to give me my wig on a Sunday. So let's just talk about it. Well, of course, the link right here, you know, this is the photo of it that, you know, and I have several of their wigs actually in my cart, and maybe after I put it on, haven't put it on yet, we'll see how great or not. Let's see if the reviews are really true. So this is by Charisma. Charisma. So this, I'm actually pretty impressed just with how it arrived. So here's the bag. I love wigs that come in a bag. Very easy storage right there. You can just stack them on. So here's the bag right here. And then this little cute card, you know, talking about all the ditties of it. So it says minimal shedding, minimal tangle, heat resistant, smooth, fashion hair, variety, daily style, party, and cosplay. Well, also, which is very interesting, is this actually came with 2 wig caps. How crazy is that? Now, since, funny enough, where are my wig caps? Oh, I think on the floor. It was on the floor with another wig that I just whipped right off. So, I'm actually just gonna use one of my existing wig caps, but this does come with 2 wig caps. You can't lose there. And let's look at it. Let's look at this huge dream. So what I'll tell you, it is heavy. Heavy, which means there is a lot of hair. I read the reviews saying that there was a lot of hair, like enough for several wigs, and I was like, okay, whatever. I don't know what these girls are talking about, but they're onto something, these girls. So yeah, it's probably twice as heavy, maybe 3 times as my other wigs that I have. And of course, it says it's 22 inches, but this seems like a giant 22 inches. I mean, this seems longer than 22 inches. And this is also in the color of pink orange. I think they label it as pink, but in the description it's like pink orange, which of course you can see as I have my real pink wig. Hello, my ice cream girl. Here's the picture right here. I'll leave the link down below for Ice Cream Girl, because you know it's one of my favorites. So you can see how this one definitely is a pinky orange right here. Super great. I was really excited to try this for this. I love these giant curls, and also it seems extremely full. Well, there it is. So, okay, let's talk about the construction of the wig here. So it has the front parting of like a 13x4, where this is all straight lace, what makes it seem like that you could probably part it anyway, and looks like you can. So this has that, let's just take a little look here. There it is. It has 3 clips right here in the front. Well, 1 in the front, 2 on the side. And let's see if there is the stand up. There is not the clip in the back. That's fine. Then we have the clips here. 1 came undone. Let's just clip that puppy back in. But this, honestly, very heavy. I can't describe to you. I almost feel like I want to weigh it, but I don't know if it'll fit on my food scale. How would I do that? So, okay, so let's, like I said, I have my wig cap here that I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below for that. It was a 10-pack. It was $5.99. Great deal. My hair is a total mess lately, so I've been wearing it up or just wearing wigs 24/7. something. And I've literally been in love wearing wigs every day. I've been having dream hair. I've been walking the walk, talking the talk. I love it. Okay, so if this wig is like really fabulous, you know I'm wearing it all day, and I gotta go to Costco today. So they may be in for a real treat today. Okay, the moment. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh my Lord. The front, it feels so natural. I mean, now I haven't even brushed it, but let's just look like it's flawless. Oh my gosh, guys, do you see this? It almost like blends directly onto my head. Wow, I'll take it. I'll take two. Wow, okay, let me just get this brush. Now, it's very soft, very soft. Let's see if I can play around with the part here, or if I should just keep it. Let's just see if I can keep it. Well, now that I've made a total mess out of it, let's see if I can get it back. Look at this. And she's very soft. She is extremely soft. Very, you know what? It's almost too, I'm not gonna say too soft, but it really feels like extremely soft, where I would probably just add a little baby powder to it just to make it not feel so soft. Okay. So it looks like for the parting that it has about a 2 to 3 inch part, and then it changes its direction. So it looks like it kind of feels like maybe you can put it up into a pony, maybe. I'm not sure, but it has a short, like 2 to 3 inch parting. Okay, so let's just move this to like the side that I normally wear my hair. Ooh. What do you guys think about this? Do you guys have any Amazon wigs? Have you attempted? There's one of this brand in silver that is very high rated, and this blondie. Wow, look at her. I just really can't get over this lace front. The lace front just seems so like melted onto my head. It feels so good. It feels so good. Okay, what do you guys think? You love it? And of course, the link is down below for my Instagram account. Here's my account. Please follow me, reach out to me, and see what I'm up to. Also a great way for you to inbox me and send me all your photos with you wearing wigs, your favorite makeup looks, and literally anything else. So reach out to me. I'd love to hear from you. And of course, the link for this is down below, including that ice cream girl wig. She's down below there for you as well. Check her out. And also this makeup that I just did here, I did a tutorial on it as well. So check that out too. I mean, just check everything out. So thank you all for stopping by, and honestly, I so appreciate you. And we will see